As we know that in not-for-profit organization, we maintain receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. So now let us see this individually. So first, let us see the receipts and payment account. What is receipts and payment account? So receipts and payment account is prepared at the end of every year. Every year in the sense accounting year. As we know in India, accounting year starts from 1st of April and ends at 31st of March. So this is the accounting year of India. So the receipts and payment account is prepared at end of every year on the basis of cash receipts and cash payments. Cash receipts are nothing but cash received. Cash payments are nothing but cash paid. Okay. So now let us know the meaning of receipts and payment account. So receipt and payment account is the cash summary. Cash summary means all the activities related to cash of all the receipt shown on the debit side and all the payment shown on the credit side. So the receipts are shown on the debit side. Receipts are nothing but money received, and all the payments are shown on the credit side. Payments mean money paid. Okay, and the receipt and payment account does not include any non-item. Now, what is non-item? Which doesn't have existence. For example, depreciation. So, depreciation is charged on machinery. Machinery is an item, but depreciation is an non-item. So, these are not recorded in the receipt and payment account.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Do like the video if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to the channel for upcoming updates. Until next time.
In case of any doubts, confusions, or in case of any guidance with respect to your academics, please reach out to us on the mentioned email address and the WhatsApp number.
Bye bye.